Hi, everyone. Welcome to Module 5, Week 5, which is education. So we have a couple things going on this week. Let's scroll down to it really quick. Okay, so like I said, we're learning about the next pillar, which is education. So your first assignment will be an infographic. So everyone did pretty well on infographics last time. Some of you just put like colorful font and stuff. If you try to put some pictures or different icons, that looks great too. Now, this says you're going to list 3 problems of the public school system, a solution to each of those problems, and your sources. So it says you have to have one different resource reference for each problem. You can use these sources. So use this website, okay? Now remember, you might have to look up on the APA site. Don't just put this hyperlink as your source. This has an author. So author, last name first, Torpy Elka, 2018, and then from there, okay? You can use other sources if you want, but this is gonna make it a lot easier for you. This one doesn't have an author, so if you wanna use that, just go to APA style, look it up. Let's see about this one. Probably other by elected officials, so maybe you can put the official. And then you could even cite the lecture, and you could cite the video if you want. Okay, so don't feel like you have to go out and get extra sources, okay, but they have to be cited. So there is a way to cite a YouTube video. Like I said, go to APA. I used to say go to the Al Purdue website, but it was bought by Chegg, and now there's lots of like ads on it and stuff. I hate it. Okay, so this will tell you everything you need to know. Okay, so reference examples. Scroll down. YouTube references here, online media. Okay. So if you want to use extra sources, that's up to you. But I'm saying that you can use all the sources. You can use the lecture, whatever. Okay. This is just a reminder that the initial discussion board is due Thursday. Okay. So the discussion board is going to be Rosalie, poverty, and literacy. So you're going to read more of Rosalie's stories. I'm going to read this article, Socioeconomic Status and Literacy. And then there's a video on the Brown versus the Board of Education, which is a very important thing. It's interesting that it's in this module, because it's not really about illiteracy, it's about desegregating the schools, but there is a question here. So Brown versus Board of Education have affected Rosalie. I didn't think she was old enough to be affected by that. What else? I didn't write these questions. These are just some prompts for you to go by. 350 to 500 word response or 2 paragraphs. Maybe you concentrate on one thing more than the other anyway. That's cool. But you'd have enough words to just go on one thing. Okay. Don't forget to do your responses. And the next thing is this another case study with the worksheet. So this is about the SAT. Does it have the sources? Review the 2 views presented above. So this one doesn't give you the sources. You have to find them yourself. What does the rubric say? Demonstrate critical thinking. See what the worksheet says. Okay, I guess this is just opinion based. Oh, here we go. That's right, it's down here. Okay. So you'll talk about your opinion, and then this is kind of how all the worksheets have been. It just surprises me that these references aren't somewhere else. But anyway, okay. Then you'll have these two references. I know just anecdotally that Elizabethtown College doesn't. I teach there too, and they don't require the SAT anymore. So anyway, interesting. Okay, and then your last assignment. So you have the education infographic, the case study discussion, Rosalie, and the literacy, the worksheet, and this reflection. Oops, 300-word reflection. There's only 2 discussion boards this week. Look at this again. Okay, week 5. Yeah, okay. This case study and the reflection are both discussion boards, and then the standardized, the infographic, and a worksheet. Yep. Okay. So pretty typical week other than that. I mean, same typical assignments you usually have. Grading all of your things. I have a night class at 6 o'clock, so I probably won't get to grade a lot of your assignments from last week until tomorrow. But I will do that. Let me know if you have any questions.